and its owners are delivering it this afternoon. So I'm getting the barn cleaned out and working on some fence improvements before the buck arrives. Watch out, the cow's coming through. Move out of the way, move to the side. Come on, Brownie. So the buck is here. I had to take a little break. Bree was out, Bree got home. So we're gonna let this little buck out and let him meet. Walk up this way, sir. Walk up this way, don't walk in that part. The goats never walk through there, they walk up here in the wood. Come on, dude, let's go, come right out. Come out and meet everyone.
Hello.
Braveheart is in the barn. Braveheart, that's his name. He's in the barn getting up his nerve to come out here and meet the ladies. They said he doesn't smell bad today, but he will as soon as he gets around these girls.
He's a boy.
Hey, Braveheart.
It's a parade following the nude dude. There he goes, he's just checking everything out.
Look. Oh, she likes him.
They like each other.
Yes!
Stay back, Brighton.
They did not like
Chewy.
Chewy. I wonder if she's in heat right now. Oh, she must be in heat. Look at her.
Back up, fine.
Brighten back up.
Fine.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there you go.
Well, I
We
think
picked a good day. We just don't want you near Braveheart right now while he's mating. Yep.
Well,
There you have it.
good to meet you, Flopsy.
I did not even know that she was in heat. I noticed last time Raven was in heat in Moonbeam.
That's a wrong spot, buddy. Brownie's like, what are you doing here, dude?
Meow. We're checking out the one that looks like me. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like
See,
it.
she is not in heat. That's the difference right there.
She's like, I don't think so.
I think she might be.
Yeah, but we're not gonna let.
Brightly's in heat. You can tell by just the way she's, look at her. She's chasing them. She's wagging her tail. She's like, hey, buddy, I'm right here.
Brownie. Brownie's checking out.
And you're the wild card, Brownie. You're the wild card in this mix.
You don't know what to do with Brownie. He's never seen a cow. Come here.
Brightly, our smallest goat, is about 8 months old, and she is a Nubian cross. All the other goats out here are Nubians, and it's a full size, generally a dairy breed. But Brightly is a Nubian Nigerian dwarf cross, so she's basically a half kind of miniature goat, you might say. She's a half of a small breed. And she's young, so we're not gonna let her get bred. She's actually leaving the farm tomorrow. She's going to a good home. No, not that home. Get your mind out of the frying pan. She's going to some friend's house where she's gonna live in bliss with their goats. So she's too young to be bred, but she also is too small to breed with this guy. He's not very big, but he's a full-size breed. And that might make her babies too big to birth. We're about to put her in a stall. And then, are they picking her up tomorrow?
Yeah.
And they're gonna come pick her up tomorrow and get her out of here. So our goat camp will stay at 4. Well, Flopsy.
Well, what is the sense of heat again?
Now he's checking out Raven.
All right, Raven. Are you in heat? I don't think so. Not by the way she's moving. She's not chasing him or anything. She's not wagging her tail. Now Braveheart, he's a buck, and so they can smell. Have you heard that? He doesn't smell bad right now because he's not been around does. But what they tell us is that he's gonna start smelling bad soon. Oh, they're sweet. Look at them.
Yeah, they actually like each other. She did not like
Today they like each other.
Today they do.
Oh, look at her. She's like rubbing him. That's pretty funny, wasn't it?
I can't believe it just happened like that. It's just interesting how a doe that wants to mate will mate, and a doe that does not want to mate and is not in heat is so obvious. She would be just running away from him, chasing after him, being mean to him, but instead she's like, it's like they're best friends, instant best friends.
We got Braveheart from some friends who keep their goats very well, take really good care of their animals, and something they said about this guy is that they've had, I think that, what did they say, 20 or 30 bucks over the years, and they said that he is the gentlest one they've ever had. And it's just great to get a gentle, really kind of sweet buck for our first one.
I'm carrying a kitty.
You are carrying a kitty. You got a kitty cat, huh? Be gentle. Be gentle with her. Brightly's locked up. He almost got her. Kind of a close call. But we grabbed her, put her in the stall. And that's where she's gonna stay until she gets picked up tomorrow.